Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at task 20Q. Okay, so the question says, open the file that you saved in task 20M. Select from all the data only the employees who have a name that starts with the letter S. Okay, so without further ado, let's move. So we're going to use the filter, text filter. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do, first of all, is to save task 20M as task 20Q. Okay, so I'm going to go to Save As. I'm going to browse for my file. Okay, I'm already there. Okay, so I'm going to have task 20 or task 20Q. All right, I will save that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is simply to select our range. Okay, and then go to editing group, go to sort and filter, and then pick up filter. Okay, so my filter will be on my text filter will be on the name. All right, so on the arrow, sort arrow or filter arrow, I'm going to click there. So I'm going to get to text filter. So I'm going to get to I can say begin with, but of course you cannot see it. You can also choose custom filter. So I'm going to just go begin. I'm going to choose begin with. All right. So simply I'll put S. Of course, all the names that start with S. Okay. So I'm going to click that and OK that. So I'm meant to have about how many records are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to have 4 records. Okay. So that's how you can answer that question. Okay. So if you have any extra input or something you don't understand or any addition, please, you can leave a comment down below. Okay. And I'm also going to put the file, which is a 20M, the working file that you can use, tax 20M. I will leave it at the description below. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.